for the Acquisition of Agribiotech Applications reports that 94% of soybeans are genetically modified, in addition to 90% of cotton and 88% of corn that is fed to animals. So then, yeah, these are the top 10 foods: rice, papaya, cotton seed that looks like soy, corn, canola oil, potatoes, tomatoes, dairy products, and is that peas? It's a little hard to read, I apologize. Okay. So how does a food become genetically modified? So this is right here is where what traditional farmers have been doing for centuries. But now that we have genetic engineering, what they do is they're going to take one desired gene out of a living thing that is identified and puts it on to the end, instead of creating a hybrid here like it is up there. So these plants are claimed to be tested for food and environmental safety, in addition to the claims I stated earlier. But they're tested, they're not, there's really no research behind, like actual credible research behind that. And the changing biology of the plant makes it an alien species that cannot reproduce because it doesn't have the same reproductive organs as regular plants, natural plants. So glyphosate is a chemical that's in Monsanto's Roundup, and it's used to kill weeds. A genetic study conducted by Dr. Anthony Samsel and Dr. Stephanie Senna highlights the active ingredient in Monsanto's Roundup herbicide. Now this chemical enhances the damaging effects of foodborne illnesses and also has a negative impact on the body. But it isn't, you can't see it right away, it's progressive. So over time, this toxin slowly manifests and weakens the body. Dr. Don Hoover goes even further into explaining that, and he says glyphosate is a strong organic phosphate inhibitor that immobilizes positively charged minerals in the body, such as manganese, iron, and zinc. And immobilizing these minerals can trigger several health problems, such as Alzheimer's, autism, and infertility. And that's only a glimpse of what it is, because if we're changing the way we eat, we're going to change everything about our body. So if GM food causes infertility and brain disorders, what's to say for the generations that come? What's going to happen to all of our kids when they have to maybe eat this if things don't go the right way? So a big company that owns 92% of all agriculture in America is Monsanto. And they are dedicated to genetic modifying of plants, and they also own the largest GM seed inventory in the United States. And they thought their product was so revolutionary that they put a patent on it. Now, I don't see how you can put a patent on something that grows like that, but they did it so. Anyone who uses these seeds without their permission can get sued, and then in turn they can lose their land to Monsanto, so they can just keep gobbling up the land. In addition to the patent, there was a law passed, not fairly recent ago. It was a law